Go.
Okay na po, kuya. Okay, let's start. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Jelly Tempiadura, Myla Pablo, Coach Koji Chuzarabala, and Vila Barbon of the Petrogas Angels who won in 4 sets against the Zeus Coffee Thunder Girls. Coach, congratulations on this win. It was a very tight game against Zeus, but you guys managed to secure the victory. What can you say about how the team performed tonight?
Yes, today game also very excited again. This time also. Yes. But last game also we couldn't make a rhythm first and second set. But libero always to the keeping the sub catch and defense. And my team libero to excellent. So 2 person libero is the one, but my team libero 2 person 1 libero. Yes. So good. They are hero today game and the last game also. Yes. And the last one 3 set 4 set. Last today is so good combination, but this outside hitter good performance. So I appreciate the player today game, and thank you so much this team and the coach Jerry. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Coach. And we also have Brooke Van Sickle here, best player of the game. Brooke, in this game, you had 27 points, 15 excellent digs, and 5 excellent receptions. So you're kind of back to your old self already. So what can you say about how the team performed today?
Yeah, I thought Zeus did an amazing job. They definitely pushed us physically, mentally. Teams like that, it can be hard effort like throughout the whole entire game, especially long rallies as a hitter. I thought we stayed pretty composed, even though how tired, like we didn't, want to show it. I thought Myla did a fantastic job. We had a lot of swings and long rallies, so just to be able to, stay focused, stay together as a team, I thought it was a good win. They pushed us very, very hard.
Thank you, Brooke. And for Myla, in this game, you had 22 points for Petrogas. So ano lang masasabi mo? Ano ba naging motivation mo heading into this game to help the team win?
Siyempre, kung ano yung sinasabi sa amin ng mga coaches namin, kumbaga work ba, kumbaga kailangan gumawa ka sa loob ng court, especially Brooke and Nick. Parang kami lang at pag wala kasing pasa kasi sa amin mapupunta ang bola eh. So kailangan talaga is maging consistent kami ng mga open and ibibigay talaga namin yung best namin na may panalo tong game na to. And kudos sa Zeus kasi grabe din talaga yung preparation nila sa amin eh. Grabe din mga depensa nila. And syempre, siguro mas gusto na yung manalo talaga ngayong game na to.
Thank you, Myla. And for B-Love, may set na parang nilabas ka, medyo na-shake yata sa paa mo. Pero ano lang siguro yung nangyari sa'yo? Paano ka naka-bounce back after that?
Nag-cramps lang yung ko, pero gusto ko kasi tumulong sa team, so kaya naman. So as long as kaya ko, gagawa ko.
Kasi namatay yung lola niya.
So
para
2
sa
days
lola.
siyang hindi na training.
And for Jelly, yung nga sinasabi ni Coach na kayong dalawang libero, parang 1 libero lang kayo. Paano nyo ba hinahasa yung ganong klaseng skill siguro sa training?
Katulad din kay Ate Myla na work kasi may kanya-kanya kaming trabaho. So B-Love is on receiving and me on defense. So sa training pa lang, ayun, nag-i-invite kami ng mga guys para siguro dahil din doon nakahasa yung control ng bola ko and yun. dahil sa kanila.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Myla, hindi pa kayo natatalo ulit mula nung opening game niyo against Game 9. So, nung Game 9 siguro, medyo hindi ka pa naka-integrate talaga. So, tingin mo ba masasabi mo naging difference talaga sa Petrogas? Kumbaga yung pagbalik mo talaga sa top 4?
Well, siguro, ginawa ko lang din siguro yung trabaho ko as a player. Kumbaga, we know naman Jonah na injured siya. So, kailangan lang mag-step up ako bilang open spiker. And syempre, for trusting with Coach Koji din talaga. Kailangan talaga, pag binigyan ka ng trust ng coach, kailangan din talaga tanggapin mo yung trabaho sa loob ng court. And yun lang din, kumbaga, naging motivation ko din talaga this conference na makabawi ako. This Filipino and mga teammates.
And for Brooke, since that are your last losses that opening game against Creamline, what stayed the same or what changed for the team from that opening loss to now 6 wins in a row?
I would say like our consistency and our teamwork. I feel like we're doing very well staying together, and it doesn't matter who comes in. I feel like we're definitely playing all together, and yeah, I think we're doing a good job staying patient, staying calm, just believing in ourselves. Yeah, we got swept by Creamline. They're a great team. So we had to continue to push ourselves every single day. It doesn't matter who's on the other side, they're gonna continue to push us. Everyone wants to win. So yeah, I would just say teamwork. I think Myla's doing a fantastic job. We do have injuries on the team here and there, so just working to stay healthy. And I think everyone on the team, everyone's stepping up. So everyone wants to win, so good effort, everyone.
So in terms of mindset ba and approach sa laro, may binago ka ba para kumbaga mas maging talo ka talaga dun sa sistema ang gusto ipatapon ni Coach sa atin?
Well, yung system naman ni Coach Koji, pinag-aralan din naman namin bago siya dumating sa team namin. Noong una, mahirap, pero kailangan talaga everyday sa training, kailangan mo talagang i-accept kung ano yung magiging wait. Ang tawag dito, kung ano yung magiging outcome niya sa loob ng court and sa game din. So ayun, ginawa ko lang yung best ko, ginawa ko lang yung sistema ni Coach Koji. Pero hindi na naman nangyayari this conference, naging okay naman siya sa amin.
For Coach, what has been the key to maintaining this streak in the competition, 6 consecutive wins? What has been your key to maintaining this one?
Key point.
Always smile.
Always smile.
You work on your team to.
This is my smile.
But I said to everyone, don't forget to smile. Everyone will see your dark face. Smiling.
So for Brooke, what has been the biggest challenge during this round of the competition?
I mean, number one, health. I think this is the longest, right, conference that PBL's had, and just staying healthy, that goes for all the teams. Very long, just being able to stay consistent and keeping our bodies right. But we don't end until hopefully April. So yeah, just health.
For Brooke, around the same questions that everyone has been asking, how would you describe how Petrogas has been playing at 7-1, 6 consecutive wins from your perspective? How good or how stable has been the game of Petrogas?
Yeah, I feel like everyone's doing a fantastic job. It doesn't matter who it is on the team. Everyone's stepping up. Everyone's pushing themselves, and even the practice environment right now. I always talk about with MJ, I'm like, wow, our practices are getting really intense. Not that they weren't before, but now it's just like a dogfight basically at practice. So I feel like our coaches are definitely pushing us a lot, and they have high expectations for us, and I feel like we're also holding each other to higher standards. Yeah, we have eyes, we want to win, and it's going to be hard, and we have to try everything we can. So I think everyone's has that mentality, and everyone's stepping up, and everyone's doing a fantastic job. So we just got to stay getting healthy and confident, and just see what we can make and what we can put out there. So it's going to be hard, but we'll try our best.
And for my basically same question, pero tayong dalawa ni Brooke consistently has been helping the team. From your perspective naman, ano makikita mong magandang ginagawa, tamang ginagawa ng Petrogas kasi yung malapit lang sa laro na ginagawa niyo, Creamline na undefeated. Anong masasabi mo sa level ng ginagawa ng Petrogas?
Level 3 natin. Just kidding. Joke lang. Siguro, itong team talaga namin, well, nag-start naman to sa Creamline we lost naman Cream with straight sets talaga. So sabi namin, in the next game talaga, kailangan maging motivation namin yung game na yon. Kasi syempre kapag once na iniisip mo kasi yung loss, parang yung team mismo yung mag-survive na, parang survive siya, pero kailangan iangat mo yung sarili mo. Hindi pwedeng si Rem lang pwede yung kumakapit sa team. Kailangan talaga lahat kami, iaangat namin yung team namin para may panalo ng mga bawat games namin. And syempre, kudos din sa coach namin na grabe yung patience niya sa amin sa training and then sa game talaga, na ang laking factor sa amin yon na andyan siya na to guide everyone, especially sa aming mga open spiker na sinasabi niya, Myla work, Brooke works, parang kami, okay coach, parang I got you, parang kami, malaking factor sa amin yun na yung trust pa lang nandun na So,
Brooke, how do you guys get guard from complacency? Considering the more you win, the bigger the target on your backs. And then teams play better against you guys.
Yeah, I mean, that's just what I hope for. I hope that everyone takes every match seriously. I don't care about the rankings. I just want, good volleyball. It's fun to play against people that will push you, and that's just how it should be. Yeah, I mean, right now we're on a winning streak, but since I have been here, we haven't won. So in reality, I feel like in a way we're like the underdogs, as he would say. And so be it. Like if a team thinks that we're, supposed to win, we're higher or whatever, and they come out fighting, then it's like, okay, then it pushes us to be better and look into ourselves and make sure we're consistent and push. And yeah, it's the name of the game, and it's fun. It's fun to have, 5 setters that are tight and everything. That's why we play, so.
Tagalog yun, di ba? Kasi Tagalog natin to.
Coach, your next game will be against Capital One. So how will this win help you guys heading into that game?
Now no idea. But it's no real content to the game. But now I can say secret. I have a lot of idea.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Coach.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, coach. Thank you.
Thank you po.